Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. And for today's video, we have the EGLD, ELROND Gold. What to expect, where will be the bottom of this bear cycle, and how much EGLD can pump over the next bull run. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start right now with EGLD. So EGLD right here has been pumping over the last week, insanely good, plus 18%, but maybe we are into an important resistance level. I will be explaining what we need to do in order to get even higher in the short term and in the next few weeks, but I'm going to explain why I think over this bearish cycle until actually it lasts and until the bull run will begin, why I think that EGLD will be going further down and will be going further down than the bottom of the 37.84. Right now for EGLD, what we need to do is to close above in the weekly frame above this line, the 57.28. Closing above the 57.28 can get us all the way up towards the next price targets, which can be the 65.20. And of course, even higher. I'm going to draw a Fibonacci retracement so you can check out the targets. So for now, what we are going to do is what we need to do actually is simply to go and close in the weekly frame above the 56.86. We can either go after to the 59 and we can even go to the 63.41. Yeah, it is very possible that over the next few days, the next few weeks, EGLD will be going up insanely good and going all the way up to the 63.41. But there is one huge problem right there. EGLD is going to go further down into the below 38. And we are going to see here on Mind Your Crypto the bottom of EGLD. Of course, there's a slight chance, and I'm going to mention that before we go there, that we can go above into the 77.30, and there we will just correct if we close above the 63.41 in the weekly frame, that is. Right now we are going to see the support level of the EGLD, and I'm going to draw the fib right here back when we started the bull run towards the top right now. You can see that the EGLD will be going probably into the 33.55 and maybe even lower. Now what I believe for EGLD, it is that once it goes down here into the 33.55, which from where we are right now, it is a minus 39% correction, right? Huge correction coming in. But once we achieve that, then EGLD is going to start the next bull run. Maybe we have a week a little bit lower. Let's say that we have a week towards the 30. Okay, beyond actually the 33.55, you should be accumulating and investing. Now, the worst thing possible that can ever happen to EGLD is to fall down all the way down to the 15.70. Okay, this is the worst thing possible for EGLD. However, the case right now is that once it goes there, it is with closed eyes. Do not have your eyes open right there. Just buy EGLD if it goes down all the way. But below the 30s, below the 33.55, it is a huge investing opportunity. Now, the bottom of EGLD, I believe it will be the 30.25 around here, but we have one chance to make it a little bit worse, to go to the 15.7. Right now, what we want to see for EGLD is, okay, Bill, you talked about bottom, you talked about when to invest. How much EGLD can grow? Of course, we are going down, up, all the way from the top to the bottom right here. I believe that EGLD is going to have at 28 around there, so I'm going to draw a hypothetical actually bottom trend line around here at the 28. So you can see that the EGLD can manage to go all the way up to the 1000 USDT. Is it possible in the next bull run? Yes, it is. Is it possible that we can even go to the 2000 USDT? Might be the case. I'm going to stay with the most possible scenario, the 1000 USDT, and we are going to just have a price range of the bottom to the top. You can see that this is a nice 3700%, a 38x profit target. That means if you had spent 10,000 Tether USD, then you would get 380,000 Tether USD. If you had spent 1,000, you would get 38,000. Now, if we go all the way up to the 2,400, which is viable as well, then we can manage to go all the way up to an 80,000 USDT, 8,000%, which is, that's what I wanted to say, 84x. Okay, that means if you had spent 10,000 Tether USD, you would get 840,000 USDT, near 1 million. And if you had spent 1,000 USDT, you would get 84,000 Tether USD. Insane stuff right there. Yeah, I know. And this should be the bottom. Now, if we talked about the 15 USDT, which is a worst case scenario right here, then we go down to this bottom, and the 2,000 USDT is a nice 15,000% to 16,000%. That is a 160x. That means that if you got spent 10,000 Tether USD, you would get 1 million and more. Okay, so you would be a millionaire. Anyway, yeah, I'm expecting this for EGLD. Now, in the short term, we could be going a little bit further upwards, as I talked about. Unless we cannot close above, then we go down. But if we close above the targets, we can go all the way back upwards. Check the bottom, check the top, decide for yourself what is the best option. And of course, do not forget to click on the videos up in your top screen. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription to check the other bottoms of the other altcoins. See you soon and bye.